Hey friends, here is your sign to throw out those metal straws and get a set of glass ones. And here is why. So with the metal straws, it's hard to see through them. You can't tell if they're really that clean. In fact, I'm kind of questioning this one. It looks like there could be something in there, but you don't have that issue with the glass ones, right? Because they're glass, you can see straight through them. Another great thing is it doesn't leave a metal taste in your mouth like some metal straws do. This set actually comes with straw cleaners, so it's kind of like a pipe cleaner. So you just stick it right in there, scrub it really good, nice and clean. It's kind of simple. We use these a lot. We actually have a lot in our dishwasher. They're not all here because we use them so much. So the taller ones, you have your taller bendy, taller straight. These are really good for like your insulated tumbler glasses. And then you have your shorter, straight, shorter bendy straw as well. Awesome for matchas, iced coffees, things like that. So I highly recommend get you a couple of sets of them. You're going to use them a lot more than you think. We keep ours displayed in a jar out on our coffee bar, out on our countertops because they're kind of cute. We love them. Highly recommend. Go ahead, get a set or two, try them out, and see for yourself.